Hosali the robot had an accident in the past where his front plate fell off. This accident has left some of his screws loose. Now he's lost his screws in the mud and can't find them at all. Could a bit of science help? Oh wow, Amelia, your hands look very dirty. I'm sure there's a way to do this without such a mess. You know what? Let's try a filtration method, shall we? What? That was quick. Okay, first, take a big spoonful of mud into the filter. Home scientist, let your research assistant do this phase for you. Cool. Now we just have to wait. While you're waiting, observe. What did you see going into the bottle? What color was it? And interpret. What did you find in the filter? And what is in the bottle? When your filtration is ready, you can continue on to the next phase of your research. Did you find any screws? Okay. We need to take some more radical actions to find the rest of the screws. Take a rubber glove and put it on your hand. Nice. Now take a strong magnet and start dragging it through the mud. Home scientists, you can try the same. Observe. What happens? And interpret. Why did that happen? How can we help Hosali to find his loose screws? Continue the research until you have found all the missing screws.